Excuse me, the date is the 30th of June 2021, and here we have it was Palokorvenkatu, so I was taking safe here in Kerava, Helsinki, sports region, about 41 Finland. Best is 4 persons, 43 and 25 grams, and this was built in 1993. And we know it was the third part of 1993, so August 1993 probably, because it doesn't have a green star either here. So there are only 5 floors here, but the sticker is BNC have 6 floors. The serial number is 67542, and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2022. Turned 25 years old in 2018. Top trim traction.
Yeah.
Still quite fresh.
Yeah.
Well, the staircases VNC are even better because they have 6 floors.
Yeah. Expected buggy wax, but then maintained by Kone.
And good maintenance in everyone.
Yeah.
Let's have a look at the buttons. And next to the first one. Okay, that's cool. Thank you very much for watching, and please also watch the staircases B and C here. And actually, also these are
That's